Well, welcome back. Welcome back to this PowerPoint where we're going to check those miscues. Reminder, what we've done? We transcribed the students' miscues verbatim, then analyzed and coded. If we had a meaningful substitution, we'd put a plus there. One that violated, 0. A meaningful insertion, we have a plus, but one that violated, we have a 0. A meaningful omission, plus. One that violated, 0. Now, if we have a self-correction, we record it in an SSC, but we remember that is not something that counts against the student. And we tricked you. We also had a reversal there. We totaled at the bottom the number of pluses, zeros, self-corrections, and non-words. So, let's check our work. I think we pop it up just one little drop. Let's move to the third paragraph here. The student read, Juan and Maria had started every day the last 2 weeks. So what did we have there? An omission. The word for. So notice we just cross it off. Over here we code it with a plus. Why? Because it maintains sense, syntactically and semantically. All right, next paragraph. What did the student read? But that evening when Father walked into the house looking like a ghost with what's wrong? Ghost. What's wrong? What we have here is, first of all, an insertion. But that evening when? That insertion maintains meaning, syntactically and semantically. When we get here, we have an insertion. However, there was followed with a self-correction. So we underlined the words that were repeated and wrote self-correction, as we did on this side also. Come down to the next paragraph. What did the student read? No more overtime for the rest of the year. He staggered, and Mother knew that they were going to use the overtime money to pay for the hotel rooms. All right, what do we have? Here we have a substitution. Instead of stammered, the student read staggered. Now, folks, that does not maintain sense. So over here we have a 0 for violating meaning. But we also have the word and inserted, and that's fine. That maintains meaning, so we have a plus. Let's come down 2 paragraphs here. What did the student do? Let me see what I can do, said Mrs. Ruiz, and she left the room. Substituted and for as, which maintains meaning, so we have a plus. 2 paragraphs down. What do we have? Maria was excited with the news, but Juan was angry. That wasn't the fun vacation. So we have an insertion here, but we also have the self-correction, so you must underline the words that were repeated. Include the insertion, but write your SC, and you come over here in the column SC. All right, we come down here to this paragraph, and we're going to start here in the middle, where the reader read. Juan, she called. Hurry, there's an alligator. Juan jumped out of the van and dashed the quarter mile to where his parents were standing, rather. So what we have here is an insertion of the, but we instantly have a rereading with a self-correction. So it's coded SC. Down to the very last paragraph. I know, Mom, Juan said. See, so you just put the line like that. All right? That's what you do for a reversal. And that's why I labeled it as an R. But it is meaningful, so it gets a plus. And when he comes over here, notice here, I've been missing out on one of the best chances. Now we have 2 words inserted, so we have to have 2 pluses, which gives us a total down at the bottom. Plus, there were 7 zeros. Those that violated meaning, folks, we had 1. But then we had 3 self-corrections, but no non-words. All right, how'd you do? I bet you feel good. You did quite well. Yeah, you're even told you did a nice job. All right, for now we're signing off, but folks, we hope to see you real soon.